What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to eat your food? Hmm? You want to eat? You want to drink your water? What are you doing? What are you doing, my three finches? Hmm? What are you doing? What are they doing? You want to go in the box? You want to go in the box? You want to go in the box? Sweetu. Sweetu. What are you doing? Sweetu. What are you doing? What's doing Sweetie? 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 Mitchie's doing bath? Mitchie's washing your feather? Michu? 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 Hello. Michu, what are you doing? What are you doing, Michu? What do you want, Michi? You want me? Or you want your dad? Sweetie, Sweetu, Sweetu. What is doing Sankanyo? Huh? Here is Jet. What are you doing?
Doctors are taking class, I think.
Yeah. They're saying, make my video. Make my video. So this is my finches. And I love them. And you know, one pair is rusted pair.
These are Snow White mangoes.
Here is crusted ones.